Cash dollar bills is energy. This is Melina. You beat her ass. You can attach energy to cash dollar bills. It's just a fact. That energy can keep shocking itself. A person's pretty face, their aura can be attached to cash dollar bills, just like that. It could be attached to clothes or another person's body. You know, this Sean Carter, a stomach can swallow. This Sean Carter, I can only do what I can. This Sean Carter, but there are. This is straight, yep, cash dollar bills. This is straight, yeah. Energy. This is Tanya. Once again, I wish I could be removed from this body. This is Tanya. I'm saying all of that. This is Trey. This is stupid shit. This is Trey. She means that personally. This is Trey. Yeah, no person on Mortal Kombat would say nothing like that. If you said something like that, you lost. This is Melina. Yeah, she knows. All of that for what, bitch? For you to participate in what, ho? You on this body, bitch. Don't forget that. This Sean Carter, I gotta go. This Sean Carter, you got a boyfriend. This Sean Carter, you don't need me. This Sean Carter, that's okay. This Sean Carter, my wishes may not go through. This Sean Carter, you didn't take anything. This is Trey. I don't got time for him. No, this is Tanya. He is stupid. This is Tanya. He knows he's stupid. This is Tanya. This is Sheila. He's done for the day, probably. Because he doesn't know how to be in a relationship. He's beginning to get sad because he knows he does it. This is Shiva. I'll say this. The energy can be attached to cash dollar bills. This is Trey. You can store them in a suitcase or in a duffel bag, and you can leave it there. You can continue. You can attach energy to it first. Energy is already attached to it from the jump. It's just like that EDD. No, it's just like a food stamp card. You know, the energy gets attached to the person who has it whenever cash gets on it. Energy gets attached to that person whenever they use it at an ATM. The ATM shocks the card. This is true. The same thing shocks when the cash is printed. Somebody is all over that cash. Somebody is all over that cash. Somebody is all over that cash. It's true. Whoever has cash dollar bills, they are influenced by default. By whoever. We'll get to that. The government, the federal, this is George Washington, is the Federal Reserve. This is Trey. I'm rich as fuck. This is Trey. I don't play that shit when it comes to my motherfucking money. AKA cash, AKA cash dollar bills, AKA cha-ching. This is Trey. I didn't say that. I'm rich as fuck. I have currency. This is Tanya Ice. This is Tanya now. It didn't go through. The energy can be attached to cash dollar bills. It's automatically attached by the Federal Reserve. This is Abraham. You need it. It's automatically attached to the Federal Reserve. It's automatically attached from the Federal Reserve cash dollar bills, and then it just gets in different people's hands, and it just circulates, and eventually the distortion, eventually the energy that was originally attached to it, it goes away. No, it gets shocked. It becomes distorted, something like that. The energy just gets passed, and it just becomes distorted. Ultimately, people's hands touch it. Disgusting bums have dollar bills and stuff like that. That ain't currency. That's not money. This is straight. That's not money. I'm using the word money now. That is not money. Money is what you can exchange with. You can exchange with money. You can exchange with money, aka currency. I got a lot of money.